Hello viewers, a very good morning. It's Isma as usual back again from fxkampala. In our YouTube video today, we're going to be looking at leverage. If you have been trading or if you associate yourself with people that do trading, then this is one of the prominent terminologies I believe you must have heard about. And leverage is one of those prominent tools that we use to position ourselves or to go for bigger positions, those that we wouldn't rather with our actual accounts. In other words, it's going to help you trade with bigger lot size than the ones you would have traded with if you were trading with your normal account. So leverage comes into ratios or comes in ratios, like for instance 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 10, 1 to 20, up to 1 to 2,000. Meaning that leverage helps you multiply your account to a bigger one, and you are in position to position yourself with bigger positions than those you would have positioned yourself with if you are using your actual money. Meaning that however much leverage helps us to manipulate, it helps us to make abnormal profits, then we have to be keen in relation to using leverage. Meaning that leverage is actually always this tool that enables traders, because I believe you must have had traders with $100 and someone has traded and made $200 on the same day, $300 on the same day. Technically, in the hourly and in hourly business or normal business, it doesn't make sense. If I've invested $100, then I'm in position to make profits in relation to $20, $30, $40. Then in Forex, it becomes abnormal. And why does it become abnormal? Because of the leverage that we happen to use. So leverage is good. However, we say leverage is a two-sided sword. It cuts, this side and it cuts this side. It makes it easier for you to make profits, and it also makes you easier to lose money. Why? Because you're going to position yourself with bigger lot size, and in favor, you can make a lot of money, but then when it's against you, you can lose this money. So meaning that when we are using leverage, we have to be keen. We have to be disciplined. We have to actually have an iron discipline. We have to be good at our risk management, money management. Why? If you don't use leverage the right way, then you're abruptly going to be blowing accounts over and over. Hence, saying that leverage is good, however, it's a two-sided sword. Meaning that if you're likely to use leverage, then it's always mandatory. It's important for you who is trading to always make sure that you use leverage as per the right way. In other words, you should actually trade not further past your account that you are trading. So people will definitely come with very small money and look forward to making, 1,000% of this particular account. Then if that's the case, leverage is not going to work for you, and it will always you will always have the price to pay that is blowing your account. However, leverage is a good thing. It can help you make money. It can help you put bigger positions and put more positions. And all this happens because of leverage. However, leverage is a good thing, but also has a bad side of it. So meaning that when we're using it, we have to be keen. We need to be principled. We need to be cautious with everything when we are using leverage. However, in any case you find any challenges, you need any mentorship, you want any information, consultancy, and all that, don't hesitate to contact us. I've actually shared my contact at the beginning of this video. Please do such that you're enabled, rather you're helped, and you're in position to do and learn these things. With the interest of time, I would love to end from here. Have a lovely day. Enjoy.